Hi guys, I thought I'd have a look inside the transmitter for my helicopter, because in the last video I was talking about the button on this side. On the manual it actually refers to it as a switch rather than a button, and it calls it the speed switch. So I thought we'd have a look inside and just have a look, see if it's actually wired up to anything, because it doesn't seem to do anything when I press the button. I didn't show you the disassembly, but it's only 4 screws on the back, and then that ribbon cable unplugs from there. I've taken the batteries out as well so we don't accidentally do anything. Let's have a look. We've got a couple more screws to undo and then we can have a look underneath. Sorry about my hand getting in the way. So 3 screws. Well, it does have tracks underneath it, so it is wired in. I suppose I could put a meter on it and just check that it does actually operate when I press it. Yeah, I'll go and get my meter. Right, you can't actually see the meter, but I've just got it set to buzz on continuity. So we can check whether the button actually does anything. So yeah, it does something, but whether it actually does anything, so say on the manual it shows it as a switch, so you switch it one way or the other, whereas on here it's just a momentary push button. So the manual doesn't tie up with the controller. So, well, can't do much more than that. We have confirmed that the switch, or the button, actually works as a button. So all I can do is put that back together now. It's not really very much to look at in there. That's the transmitter module. We're doing the 2.4 gig, I assume. And that'll be the chip that actually recognises your control movements. But I'm still at a bit of a loss as to what that speed button or speed switch actually does. But electrically it works. One of the other suggestions was whether the button activated a dual rate system, so you've got normal controls and then push the button and you get sort of a higher rate of control. Right, battery's fully charged now. So, right, it's not going to escape. I've got it pinned to the ground. We'll just see if that button makes any difference to the rates. So if I hold that up like that, that goes all the way around and all the way up and all the way down anyway, so press that again. It makes no difference to the display anyway. Let's right, that did make a difference. That definitely made a difference then. I could hear it, but you probably couldn't hear it with the noise. Let's see if we... I'm just wondering whether to try and put a microphone over there so we can actually hear it better. Well, this could be fun. I've got the microphone right next to the rotor. I'll plug the microphone into the camera now. Right, there's no visual indication when you've pressed the button. So it looks like it does work. I'm going to have another try, aren't I? So I've been pressing it, assuming it's going to make some sort of difference on the display here. But the display does nothing, it's only relating to what's actually on the transmitter. And that one does turn the lights off. So we'll have to give it another flight. Now it's been really windy and rainy out at the moment, so I don't think there's much chance of trying it in the near future. But at least we know the button does work. Just realised I was talking into the camera then when the microphone was down on the floor. Yeah, it looks like it works, doesn't it? But it's been far too windy and raining at the moment for us to go and try it outdoors. So next reasonably still day we get, we'll give it a go and see what happens.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.